I had a question teaching a few days ago how to do a superscript and subscript text style in Canva, and it's kind of buried, so I wanted to share with you where I found it. So superscript is when I want to raise those letters just a little bit, like the ST in first. Where you need to go for that, first select the specific letters, get into the T with advanced settings on your text, and you'll have to go all the way into more settings. Then there is a group in there for formatting. You're on the standard traditional there, but if you come in, there's an A with a 2 raised. That's going to be your superscript. Note also the keystroke there. You can do this with a control period. Control period, control period. It just alternates if you need to do it on your keyboard, which if you do it a lot, that would be easier. And then down here in subscript, let's move the 2 to the subscript position, which would be here. Again, notice the keystroke. If it'll show it to me again, it's control with the comma. Control, comma, control, comma. Okay. Okay, and Mac, I'm guessing it's command period, and command, comma. So good luck with those. Have a great one.